Hey everyone, Mascorp here. Going to do a daily update on the farm today. Just want to give everybody a shot to look at the crypto tab earnings, some of the Cointiply apps I'm using, just a quick update on the Cyber FM, where it's at in its earnings, and some of the other apps that we got going on the channel. So sit back and enjoy. Hey everyone. So we're going to look at the phone farm real quick. Just want to give an update how each phone's doing. We got this one right here. She's just hitting at 98 cents. $1.09. $1.15. $1.04. She's on Cointiply right now. Do that one. This one's sitting at $20.23. Same thing with that one. This guy over here, $1.33. $1.60. $1.34. $1.32. Guy down there sitting at about 20. This computer, what is this one at? Oh, gotta love old laptops. There we go. Sitting at $1.03. This guy over here is running inbox dollars. And we got that guy over there. About 20 bucks. So phone farm's doing good. We got Cointiply running, playing our games. I'm telling you right now, man, Cointiply is the way to go on a lot of this stuff. Let's see here. This phone, we got hooked up to Loot TV. Just watching a little bit of TV. This one right here, I'm gonna put back on Hideout. This one right here, Pop Joy. I already did my withdrawals on Hideout and Loot, so starting the rewards over again. This guy over here, we're still doing the Cyber FM update for the month. Currently sitting at 36,250 CYFM. Hopefully that becomes a good pair. Still haven't found a use for these two phones in the farm, but we'll find something eventually. Make sure to put that out as soon as we can. We got our clip claps going on. Yep, doing good on that one. See how we're looking rewards wise on clip claps. Yep, she's sitting at $2.62, so she's earning good. And that's it. Phone farm is up and running and looking good. All right. Hey guys, if you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that I can give you the latest in passive income earning. Do daily, weekly, and monthly updates on all my earnings. And if you want even more information, join our Discord with Mascorp Real Money Talk. Everyone's welcome. We highly encourage advice. We highly encourage helpful knowledge, and we're always here to learn more and help best way we possibly can. So if you could, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the links below. Y'all have a blessed day. Mascorp out.